Transforming ordinary gameplay into powerful ads that capture audience attention is the secret to unlocking gaming's UGC goldmine. Step 1. Become a player-first storyteller. Authenticity is king in gaming UGC. Forget staged perfection. Aim for genuine excitement. This starts with identifying your core audience and understanding what truly resonates with them. What are their biggest triumphs, their funniest fails, their most epic moments? Encourage them to showcase their unique gameplay and personality. Step 2. Capture that raw, unfiltered magic. Use built-in game capture features or third-party recording software to get high-quality footage of your target audience in action. Focus on capturing moments of skill, collaboration, or even hilarious mishaps. Think about what makes a player feel something. That's your ad material. Step 3. Leverage player testimonials beyond gameplay. Authentic player voices build trust. Reach out to your community and invite them to share their positive experiences with your game. This could be short video clips, written reviews, or even audio snippets. Keep it concise, genuine, and focused on the benefits and enjoyment they derive from playing. Step 4. Cultivate your community and curate the best content. Actively engage with your players. Encourage them to share their clips using specific hashtags like #GamingUGC or your game's unique tag. Then meticulously select the most compelling and diverse pieces. UGC mix and match epic gameplay with relatable player reactions to create dynamic ad creatives. Step 5. Amplify and Analyze. Launch your UGC ads across relevant platforms where your target audience spends their time. Monitor performance closely. Which clips resonate most? What kind of testimonials drive engagement? Use this data to refine your strategy and consistently fuel your gaming UGC ad pipeline for sustained growth and brand loyalty.